we're talking about how you can make money by doing courses. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. As I said, welcome to the episode. Today we're talking about how you can make money by creating and selling courses. Now, if you're somebody who has experience in just about anything, you can create a course to teach somebody that particular topic. Whether it's how to do YouTube, how to self-publish, how to do podcasting, how to do affiliate marketing, how to speak a language, how to do video editing, audio editing, you name it. If you have some kind of skill, doesn't matter what it is, you can pretty much put it into a course and teach somebody and get paid for it. Now, you're probably going, well, how do I do this and make money?